Alrighty, another day, another dollar. Looks like on the 1 hour we have an IFEG to the downside and a bearish gap being made with the swing high above that gap. So I hope we come into here at 9:30 and reverse. If we don't, and we keep pushing on up, stock market is open, then we'll know. All right, we're already in there. If we're going straight past it, we have boom, and then if we go below it, we have boom. And then we have obviously all these hourly targets down here, these fair value gaps to target, which is very nice. We can draw one of those too if we're going lower. Obviously, if we're going higher, we also have this high of the day. Alrighty. Alright, also in the 15-minute fair value gap there. What's the 5-minute showing us? Where? Okay, here we are. And we're under all the EMAs. We are in this 15-minute gap. So, a nice hammer. I mean, we could wait till we close under here. But I think, like I said, it lines up with the 1 hour. And I think we're about to inverse on the 5-minute. We can inverse some of these bullish gaps. I think we can get in. I would love to inverse this on this candle and then just get in shorts. Would be so fucking nice. That hourly gap is down here, as we see. We do have these EMAs we need to close below. We also have a gap here on the 5-minute. Let's see how we react off this gap on the 5-minute and on this gap on the 3-minute. We can close below. We can get in some shorts. 25 seconds. Ooh, pushing. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're underneath.
Order submitted.
Alrighty.
Order submitted.
A nice
submitted. Order
inverse. Nice inverse. And stop obviously below this fair value gap. Ooh, that 5-minute gap is kind of holding. But we still have another minute in this candle, so. But we inverse this 3-minute gap. Ooh. We do have 10 o'clock news with orange folder. Like I said, we had already came in this hour gap. Hopefully, and we're holding below the EMAs on the hour would be very nice. Ooh. This is not a good look. It's not a good look. Almost negative 200. And then we have this high here, which is where I really wanted to put my stop loss. But let's see if we sweep it Yeah, we reacted off this 5 minute gap here. But it's an inverse gap. So that's why I'm like, we bounced off this gap here. Oof. Come on. Just sweep and react to the downside. Sweep and react to the downside. It's a nasty loss. Ooh. Are we just going higher? We're still in this gap now, in this hour gap. Ooh.
Order
And we
filled.
lost. And we lost. Sometimes, you know, we're just going higher. Damn, we had a nice 3 minute IFVG. So let's see how we hold it. Girl, sorry, I'm watching you. I always lose on Fridays, I swear. But if we're gonna inverse this gap, then we're, like I said, we're going up. We did hold on the 15 minute. And on the 5, let's see. Girl. Well. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not gonna take another trade. I'm gonna have good discipline. So we just lost today. Sucks. Back and draw down a little bit, but it was a good entry off a good 1 hour fair value gap and all the things. So it is what it is.